Hi, everyone. My name is Gabriel Gonzalez, and for my career research project, I looked into Eurofins, or otherwise known as EAG Laboratories. This company interested me because it combines hands-on laboratory testing with engineering analysis, which aligns really well with my interest in failure analysis and validating designs using real data. Rather than focusing on design work, EAG Laboratories actually emphasizes understanding why components fail and use physical evidence to support their engineering decisions, which I find especially interesting. In an entry-level role at EAG Laboratories, engineers are typically responsible for conducting failure analysis and reliability testing on both mechanical and electrical components. Includes performing material characterization, such as fractography, microscopy, hardness testing, and cross-sectioning. A large part of this job usually involves analyzing test results, as well as documenting findings and communicating conclusions clearly to their customers. The skills and qualifications that are needed for this role include a strong foundation in material science, mechanics of materials, and manufacturing processes. Experience with laboratory testing, experimental validation, and data analysis is also really important, since a lot of the work is evidence-based and relies on interpreting real test data rather than assumptions. In terms of salary and career growth, entry level positions typically pay between 65,000 and 80,000 a year, while the middle career engineers earn from anywhere in between 90,000 a year to 120,000 a year, with it usually depending on the experience and the specialization. Some skills that I would like to continue developing include failure analysis techniques and gaining more familiarity with industry standards, since laboratories, especially EAG laboratories, um, rely on mill standards as opposed to ASTM and IPC standards. One of the most interesting things I learned about is that failure analysis roles are less about design alone and more about like being investigative, conducting physical evidence to engineering theory. That combination of technical problem solving and real world application is what made this career path so appealing to me. Thank you, and yeah.